A woman had a parrot. One day, the female parrot became pregnant and was about to have babies. For safety, she went to the desert. There, she gave birth to her babies. After some time, the babies became thirsty and asked their mother for water. There was no water in the desert, so the mother went to look for it. While she was away, a wild animal attacked her near a lake, and she died. When the babies followed her, crying and looking for their mother, they reached the place and found their mother lying dead.